back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright,
it's a must-see place. Once you come to Jamaica, take your camera, take your little money, your chukumpeng, and walk with it, of course, because you know you see I gotta buy some cake and ice cream. And for today, Patois Chronicle, my belly bungle. What that mean? Watch this entire video now. Boom. Video yet and dog don't want to start back to one video though. So let's go right into that one, you know. Miss say she enough. Yo, me say him enough. Enough is still up on him face. Face of a pad cover, you just enough, so. So here in Jamaica, you come here, sir, you got hear the little term, you know, even among our littler ones, the younger Jamaicans, I feel them think this now, you know. Miss say, you talk to them, miss say. I mean, it is so hilarious at times when it just come out and say, miss say. So you know that I'm having a hard time at work. I mean, I just want to go home. You know, I'm having a headache. Me say, I'm like seriously? But here in English language now, I'm saying. But you're not going to say it in that context there, you know, because when you come here, even if you're in the English language and you walk with your dictionary, you're from Britain or you're from America, whatever part of the English language you speak, whether Britain or American, whatever it is, you still are going to want to say, Missy. So I'm saying she's just so inquisitive. Oh my God. But here in Jamaica, you come here, you can catch that one day, you know. Missy, and you want to run with it and dance with it and them something there. So let me go into another video now. Which video? Another word. No, sir. You see what I do to me people? Me use the little 2 minutes video them to right now. Missy, you better turn toddy. Yes, you better turn toddy and do the 10 minutes video. You better turn toddy. I can't manage this one here, turn toddy. Yes, now in Jamaica, you'll often hear this one as well, turn toddy. Or, you know, stand still if you want to put in English. But we still going to say, boy, where you go? Turn toddy, man, food soon already. Where you there, where you hurry for? Turn toddy. Turn toddy. Yes, the next time you see me, say, Nisha, turn toddy. Yes, and in English language now, this means, say, my day I look for English version. See, come right now. It is to encourage someone, alright? You will not be defeated. Whatever is it that you're going through, stand still and watch God work, alright? He will come through for you. Don't give up. No matter how hard it is and situation and the road rough, as we'll say out here in Jamaica, the road tough, hard, rocky. Be encouraged, alright? Be encouraged right now. Be encouraged. We will get through and we will get out of this. You and I will not be defeated. You will not be defeated. So you come to Jamaica, mega turn to mega say, tan toddy. We are worried about and do not worry. Tan toddy. Tan toddy me boy. Tan toddy me girl. In the next one now, that one here blow up the place, cause me never know about that one here. Me belly bungle. What is this? The only thing me know about bungle out here in Jamaica is dirty laundry, or you can say dirty clothes. You watch that video yet? Me dirty, me go wash up my dirty clothes. Yes. So to say me belly bungle. Me belly bungle. Guess the one day. Me say, hear it there again. When me say, when me hear it, me belly bungle. Me turn in a jeopardy, cause me couldn't figure that the one day out. Not even me slow. Me and soul rest in peace. Say in English language, see it there. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. I am not ready for dinner. No. But in Jamaica, we're not going to say that one. Peeps. We're not going to say that one, and peeps is people. My belly bungle. Yes, my belly bungle. Your belly bungle? For belly bungle, type down below down there in the comment section and say me belly bungle, Nisha, me belly bungle. And if you didn't know about this one, type down below and say yes man, me didn't know about that one. I said me belly bungle. So for you guys who don't know it, me belly bungle. Try it now. Me belly bungle. Watch this now what come next, cause everybody love that one, you know. Boom. Me said that one, you know. Yo, me did late folk, you know. Jaja, or some might say Jaja. You know, Jamaican, we all exciting and we getting our little feelings and our emotions back. Whoever the voice over yet in a video, you have to turn off the fan and everything. You have to make sure so the dog now back. Keep your mouth. Because Jaja, the heat. The heat, people, the heat. Jaja. Yeah, you don't know everywhere you're going to hear, boy, you walk on. Jaja. And that simple means in English language, I was late for work. Oh my. And you might say, Nisha, where the oh my come from? No English people speak like that. You better tantodi. Tantodi. Of course, English people say it. Oh my. Oh my, I was late for work. Or, you know, oh my God, I'm so hot. I'm getting hot in here. Gonna turn on back the fan. My belly bungle, people, my belly bungle. So watch this, so we are gonna add that one, you know. Just remember that one, alright? Jaja. Say next time when your boss pass it, just say Jaja. Don't do it, you know. Don't do it, you know. You can just have a little fun. Say Jaja in your mind, alright? So you get a little 1 cent. So next one we are going to now, we're going to shop. You come here in Jamaica and you want to visit a shop. Give me a water, the sister. Or lend me a water, the sister. Yeah man, come quench the thirst and I thirst. You don't know the things, and most of us might put on the T on the thirst, or even put in the H. Come quench my thirst, or quench my thirst. Come in, a sister, yeah man, I wait upon. Hurry, come over here, some man. You don't know the things set. So now you might say, wow, what was that? It sounds so good. Yes, big up. Let us give a moment of silence for Miss Lou. Alright, and in English language this means, can get a bottle of water please? May I have a bottle of water please? Or can I have a bottle of water? To the shopkeeper. But you're not Jamaican when you come here, can you say, yo, give me a bottle of water, they forward. And you'll get that water. Or anything you want, and water. Water. But you don't know me a Jamaican. Don't persecute the eye. Now look at this one now. Girl, are pregnant? You're pregnant? No, mama. But here in Jamaica, girl, you go catch belly. You go catch belly, girl. Girl, you breed. I breed. I go on, in Jamaica, you know, parents, they don't ramp with the belly business, you know. So I'm pregnant, you're pregnant. Sure, I'm not pregnant, you're pregnant. No, mama. So I catch you, go catch belly. Girl, you breed. I breed. So now, in English language now, what you think this means? Simple. Sharon, are you pregnant? Sharon, are you pregnant? Are you expecting? Sharon, are you expecting? But down in Jamaica, I see even Sharon, we say Sharon. We'll do a video, you know, on how Jamaican pronounce people's name, because trust me, we'll take out things and put in things and forget about all the things there. So I want to ask you, Sharon, are you pregnant? Yeah, catch belly. So you come here to Jamaica, you're in there, wherever you are, whatever part of the world, you can say to your friend, girl, you catch belly. But that's not always sound, now hear the accent. Girl, you catch belly. A belly you go catch. So you don't know, so this is Patois Chronicles today, Tuesday. And Nisha, of course, I'm signing out. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. Woo, because guess what? I did a video past 3 minutes. So big up to all my peeps who have been complaining and asking, Nisha, can I get more? So here is the more. Thank you very, very much for the support, guys. See you all on Thursday at 6 p.m. Alright? And of course, Morning Glory, come check now. Come get yourself blessed now. Bye.